Welcome! Yesterday, we went to the park. Some people were eating and others were enjoying the sunny day. The people were very happy because the last few days it had been very cold.
As you can see, today we will focus on narrative tenses. Let's begin. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we begin, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's start.
Yesterday, there was a marathon in my city, and people went to support their favorite runners. The people were taking pictures, they were cheering, and they were having fun.
To prepare for the race, the runners have trained and exercised for weeks. Also, they had eaten healthy food like salads and sandwiches.
When they reached the finish line, they were feeling tired, but they were very happy. The narrative tenses. They are used to talk about past events and to tell stories. We have the simple past. This tense is used to describe events in a story in chronological order. For example, there was a marathon in my city and people went to support their favorite runners.
We also have the past continuous. This one is used to describe actions in progress in the past. Also, it is used to set the scene of the stories. For example, the people were taking pictures, they were cheering, and they were having fun.
We also have the past perfect. This tense is used to describe actions that happened before other actions in the past. For example, the runners had trained for weeks and they had eaten well before the race. Now practice telling your stories using narrative tenses.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial.
Bye!